Biophilic homes represent more than a design trend. They are a lifestyle choice merging wellness, sustainability, and luxury. This video explores how natural elements, organic forms, and eco-conscious innovations redefine modern living. Together, we'll uncover inspiring ways biophilic homes are shaping the future of residential design. Biophilic design reconnects humans with nature, a principle proven to enhance mental well-being, productivity, and relaxation. It weaves greenery, water, natural light, and raw textures into the home environment. Luxury biophilic living isn't about excess, it's about harmony, offering elegance that feels organic rather than artificial. Today's affluent homeowners crave more than opulence, they seek serenity. Biophilic luxury homes provide both, blending expansive glass walls, indoor gardens, and open-air living spaces. Imagine waking up to natural light, birdsong, and panoramic greenery, all while enjoying the finest finishes and curated modern comforts. Architecture is evolving towards sustainable elegance. Designers prioritize breathable layouts, vertical gardens, and eco-conscious building materials. In 2025, luxury no longer means marble excess but balanced living. Stone, wood, bamboo, and recycled materials harmonized with sleek modernism. This shift redefines sophistication as nature-integrated minimalism. Natural light is the heart of biophilic design. Skylights, floor-to-ceiling windows, and sun tunnels flood homes with brightness, reducing energy dependence while elevating mood. Designers carefully position openings to capture shifting daylight, turning homes into dynamic sanctuaries that change with the rhythm of the sun. Vertical gardens, both interior and exterior, transform walls into living canvases. They purify air, regulate indoor temperatures, and add lush textures to sleek spaces. Luxury homes often integrate automated irrigation systems, ensuring low-maintenance beauty that enhances both wellness and property value. A true fusion of elegance and ecology. From tranquil indoor fountains to infinity pools seamlessly blending into landscapes, water features elevate biophilic luxury. They bring calm through sound, reflection, and movement. In 2025, designers are experimenting with smart water recycling, merging sustainability with sensory pleasure to craft soothing, eco-conscious experiences at home. Organic materials like stone, timber, clay, and rattan dominate the biophilic palette. These textures embody authenticity while reducing carbon footprints. Luxury designers elevate them with precision craftsmanship, hand-carved stone walls, reclaimed timber flooring, or bamboo ceilings, demonstrating that raw beauty can be as refined as polished marble. One of the hallmarks of biophilic luxury living is the dissolving boundary between inside and outside. Retractable glass doors, open courtyards, and rooftop gardens create fluid transitions. The home becomes an extension of its landscape, encouraging inhabitants to interact with nature without sacrificing comfort or elegance. Biophilic homes prioritize health. From circadian lighting systems to purified air technology paired with natural ventilation, every element supports well-being. This movement extends luxury beyond aesthetics into holistic living. Homes designed not only to impress but to nurture body, mind, and soul on a daily basis. Modern biophilic homes embrace innovation. Smart systems manage irrigation, lighting, and energy efficiency, seamlessly integrating sustainability with convenience. Imagine walls that adjust light to mimic natural circadian rhythms or sensors that optimize indoor air quality. Luxury here is defined by intelligence in harmony with nature. Across the globe, standout biophilic homes inspire architects and homeowners alike. From Costa Rican jungle villas to Scandinavian forest retreats, these properties redefine what luxury means. They aren't isolated mansions but ecosystems, celebrating nature while ensuring comfort, elegance, and long-term environmental responsibility in equal measure. Even dense cities embrace nature-infused luxury. High-rise apartments integrate vertical forests, rooftop farms, and communal gardens. These spaces allow urban dwellers to connect with greenery, proving that biophilia isn't limited to countryside mansions but a universal design philosophy adaptable to modern metropolitan lifestyles. In today's fast-paced world, silence is the ultimate luxury. Biophilic homes use natural barriers, trees, water, earth mounds, to shield interiors from noise pollution. Minimalist layouts emphasize openness and stillness, allowing nature's sounds, wind, rain, birdsong, to dominate. This sensory balance creates unmatched restorative environments. Forget ornamental backyards, gardens now inhabit the heart of the home. Atriums, indoor courtyards, and edible herb walls bring nature into kitchens and living rooms. This shift turns greenery into daily companions, enhancing both aesthetics and lifestyle while symbolizing luxury rooted in sustainable living. Responsible affluence is reshaping luxury markets. Recycled glass countertops, reclaimed wood beams, and non-toxic finishes embody elegance without ecological harm. The wealthiest homeowners increasingly demand sustainability as a status symbol, proving that mindful consumption is the new gold standard for luxury living in 2025. Biophilic design isn't purely physical, it's emotional. Walking barefoot on stone floors, smelling cedar beams, or listening to a bubbling fountain fosters a primal connection. Luxury emerges in these moments of intimacy with nature, reminding us that the greatest opulence is often simplicity harmonized with Earth's essence. Biophilic interiors extend to bespoke furniture crafted from natural elements. Live-edge tables, woven fiber chairs, and sculptural lighting inspired by organic forms dominate modern luxury homes. Each piece tells a story, ensuring spaces feel curated, personal, and deeply connected to the natural world around them. From Japanese Zen gardens to Mediterranean courtyards, biophilic luxury draws on diverse traditions. Cultural interpretations enrich modern design, merging ancient wisdom with cutting-edge technology. The result: homes that feel timeless, rooted in heritage yet forward-looking, providing both authenticity and a universal sense of belonging. True luxury is increasingly defined by responsibility. Eco-friendly certifications, solar panels hidden within sleek designs, and regenerative landscaping elevate status symbols beyond material wealth. In 2025, the elite showcase not only their taste but their values, living proof that prestige and sustainability go hand in hand. Biophilic homes extend living beyond walls. Outdoor lounges, kitchens, and spas offer resort-style living year-round. These spaces blur leisure with nature, allowing residents to unwind beneath the stars or host gatherings surrounded by gardens. Luxury here is redefined as a lifestyle immersed in open-air serenity. Luxury biophilic design extends beyond individuals to nurture family bonds and communities. Shared green courtyards, meditation rooms, and family-centered layouts encourage connection. These homes become sanctuaries not only for relaxation but for fostering relationships, spaces where nature strengthens both personal well-being and human connections. Looking ahead, luxury homes will embrace regenerative design, structures that give back to their ecosystems. Future biophilic residences will filter water, generate renewable energy, and restore biodiversity. This forward-thinking approach ensures homes are not passive shelters but active contributors to environmental balance and human wellness. Beyond lifestyle, biophilic homes represent wise investments. Green-certified properties command higher resale values and appeal to eco-conscious buyers. Developers recognize this growing demand, ensuring that nature-infused luxury isn't a passing trend but a secure and profitable choice for the next generation of homeowners. Biophilic luxury living is not about grandeur detached from the natural world. It's about experiencing serenity, sustainability, and sophistication in unison. These homes remind us that true wealth lies in harmony with nature, offering timeless elegance and a healthier, more balanced way of life.